My name is Hugo+Rivera and I am an artist. I do paintings. Usually they are acrylic on canvas. They are big. The reason is because I used to do murals before. And then when I started painting on canvas, I had to have that same feeling, so I started working in big. And so that's one of the reasons my paintings are that big size. I love colors. Colors is a passion that I have to discover together how they work and kind of put together the human form or the figurative part and then with the colors. So I ended up creating something abstract, figurative, and colorful. I am originally from Mexico. Since I was a kid, I used to draw. Not paint, but draw. I used to draw a lot. And my father used to encourage me to do that. I came straight to California. I love the place, the weather, and I realized that I was free and I could get back what I used to love, which was art. It works pretty well here in Laguna Beach. One of the reasons is because it's a very colorful place, very happy people around, right? Beautiful gardens and everything. So my paintings are kind of in the same direction, and it seems like people really respond when I paint. You can feel the energy and the movement, and that's, I think, one of the reasons. I love Sawdust Festival. Sawdust Festival to me is like a family place. I mean, everybody is so relaxed. Everybody help you when you're a new artist. Everybody just have a good big smile. And Sawdust Festival is a great place to show your work because people from all over the world come and they go there to have fun, to eat and enjoy all the demonstrations that happen right there. I like to do live demonstrations and people really like it. I have a little one, I have a 3-year-old son, and he loves also that area. He loves to create castles and I love to play with him. So I think this is a beautiful place, very good places to go and to buy for him, for me, or my family. Downtown Laguna is perfect, plus we're close to the studios. I'm Hugo+Rivera, I live in Laguna Beach, and I specialize in contemporary art.